Here's a lesson on how to make or turn your faded door plastics back to its original color. You see how this has the fading on the end there because of the sun hitting on the side? I just did this corner piece with this heat gun. I got the heat gun set on 730 Fahrenheit. And all you have to do is put a little heat on it until you see the white disappear. And just be happy that you don't have to worry about going to the paint shop and taking a guess on the color paint that some of these paint shops sell, or even worse, having to pay the original color from DuPont for your car. And that can be very expensive. It's like 25 bucks for a little can. And at least with this, there's no overspray. You get the job done fairly easy. This heat gun costs 26 bucks. Of course, I customize trucks and cars, so this is like an investment for me. I don't know how it's going to be, how you feel about it, making a one-time purchase or a one-time situation. There you go. That white is out. I have a scuff mark right there. That's something different, but let me move over here. Unbelievable. It's actually bringing the color back. Really nice. No more white fading. Doesn't take much. There it is. Okay, guys. Get to going.